grew up here in Bolungarvík. I love this town, the people, the atmosphere, the nature all around us. About 1,000 people live in Bolungarvík. It's a special feeling to belong to a place like this. Everyone knows each other. You feel like people take care of one another. And I wanted to raise my children here. I studied dentistry in Reykjavík, the University of Iceland. Most people stay in the city, but we wanted to make a home here. I had strong mentors, and I always knew I wanted to build something myself. I didn't do this alone. My business partner, Rebecca, she's from here too. When we heard this old health clinic house was for sale, we immediately saw what it could become. The dream started to become real. Before we opened, most people traveled hours for care, so they simply waited or stopped going. I don't think I realized this clinic mattered in just one moment. It happened gradually. You see it in small things like the relief, the gratitude, and the trust. When I could help someone who was in pain and seeing a child come in afraid and leave calm, even smiling. That's when I realized that this really matters. I've always had a strong desire to learn and grow. I took additional courses to build confidence, and I had the opportunity to work alongside oral surgeons. More recently, I've started placing implants myself in straightforward cases. What drove me was wanting to offer every patient the best treatment possible. Now we're able to offer these treatments here, closer to home. I chose Straumann and iEXCEL because it's simple and because of the science behind it. When I place an implant, I want to see it still there in like 50 years or even longer. I don't expect myself to do everything perfectly, but if there's a problem, I trust myself to figure it out. Excellence is making sure no one is too far away to receive care.
Straumann iEXCEL. Unleash your power.